how your roofing business can win 30 extra customers every month just by becoming easier to find in Google Maps searches.
Check this out, how your roofing business can win more customers with Google Maps.
You've probably heard pitches like this 1,000 times. They either don't work or they're outright scams. But this is your business we're talking about, and I'm about to give you information for free that could transform your bottom line. My name is Rickey Williams, and I'm going to show you how your business can get more ideal customers from your Google business profile in 3 steps. If you own or manage a roofing company, you know you need to be good at your job. But it's not just about fixing and installing roofs. It's business. So it's also about getting qualified new leads when you need them. Healthy, consistent cash flow to pay your bills and run your business. Satisfied, happy customers. This is not rocket science. If you can build a quality roof, you can also build a business that supports your family and your workers. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the 3 steps to take to get 10, 20, 30, or more extra customers a month. And if you hang in there, I'm also going to share with you the one easy thing your business can do to win more customers that 90% of your competition doesn't have a clue about. This is how you win in 3 steps. First, you take a snapshot of how well your business stacks up against your competitors right now. Then you optimize your Google business profile the way I'm going to show you. Then, after you optimize your Google business profile, you take another snapshot. If you do the optimizing work, you're going to see firsthand proof how this works. Not in 6 months like most marketing agencies will promise, but in less than a month. You can do all this yourself. I'll show you how. Or if you want help, I'll give you my checklist of everything you need to do to get your business into a top 3 position in Google Maps. And I'll do the before and after snapshots of how your business stacks up against your competitors. Only $20. Just click on the link in the description or go to kickingassmedia.com/roofer special. Do you still need convincing? How does your roofing company currently win new business? By word of mouth, right? Your best customers come back to you when they need new roofing services, but they also tell their family, their friends and neighbors about the great job you did for them. But you can't depend just on word of mouth to maintain steady cash flow in your business, or especially if you want to grow your business. So what else do you do? Here are some of the ways roofing companies find new customers. They buy leads from Angie or Home Advisor or wherever. Buy advertising on radio, TV, Google, Facebook, or local area publications. Sponsor a local Little League team. Have a website and get found in Google or Bing search. Get found in Google Maps. Have people call their number when they see it on their service trucks. Get recommendations from AI searches. Direct mail ads or knocking on doors. You know roofing isn't retail. You aren't fighting over $10 sales at the checkout line. You're competing for big-ticket jobs where homeowners are cautious, the competition is fierce, and trust is either going to make the deal or break it. So go ahead and knock on doors or pay for leads from Home Advisor. But whichever method you use, if you want the most new customers, your marketing needs 3 key ingredients. It needs visibility, authority, and trust. This is important for your prospective customers, but it's also for Google and the AI search algorithms. And when it comes to visibility, authority, and trust, the 800-pound gorilla of local service business marketing should not be a surprise. Getting into one of the top 3 positions in the Google Map Pack is the top marketing method by a mile that provides the most visibility along with authority and trust. So, just how important are the top 3 Google Maps listings? If you're not in one of the top 3 positions in Google Maps, your business is invisible to most of your potential customers. They don't even know you exist. Listings in the top 3 Maps positions have more trust and higher conversion rates than ads or regular Google search results. 60 to 70% of all clicks for local businesses go to the top 3 Google Maps listings. And businesses in the Maps 3-pack receive 93% more actions, that includes calls, website clicks, and driving directions, then businesses ranked in positions 4 through 10. All right, let's talk a little bit more about the 3 steps to get you to the top of Google Maps. Step 1, take a snapshot. I recommend using localdominator.co. You can pay for an introductory month of service for only $1.95. Take your before snapshots, optimize your Google business profile, take your after snapshots, then cancel the service before it renews at $39 at the end of the month. It's the best $1.95 you can spend to see how your business stacks up against your competition in your market. To use this tool, you just need to select a geographical grid size that covers the service area for your business. Then enter the top search terms your prospects use when they're looking for roofing services in your area. For example, you probably make the most profit on full roof installations, but most of your full roof customers may start their searches looking for roof repairs instead of roof installations. So you want to show up in Google Maps for both roof repairs and roof replacements. Here's a typical list of search terms you may want to use with the Snapshot tool. Step 2. Now it's time to get your Google business profile in top condition. First, go to google.com/business and make sure you've claimed and verified your Google business profile. Then, fill out every single box in your Google business profile. It's critical that you use the identical business name, address, and phone number everywhere your business shows up on the internet. Even the spelling has to be exactly the same every single time. Otherwise, you will confuse Google and the AI search algorithms, and they won't show your business when your potential customers search for roofing services. Your primary business category is required. That's going to be a roofing contractor. But don't stop there. If any of these secondary categories apply to your business, you should also select them. Besides categories, it's important to also list as many services as your business performs. Those services may include these: make sure your category and services search keywords are in your GBP description, your posts, and your reviews. Add your unique selling proposition to your Google business profile. Your USP is the reason customers choose you over your competition. It's what you do best and what sets your business apart. Make sure your business opening date is correct. You want to get full credit for how long you've been in business to help with your business conversion rate. Link to your website. It's much easier to rank high in Google Maps if your business also has a website, and if you link your Google business profile to a landing page on your website. The landing page is whichever page on your website where you want to send people from your Google business profile. It could be the home page of your website, or it could be a page specially designed to convert leads to do business with you. Fill out the Q&A section of your Google business profile, asking and answering your own roofing business questions. Respond to every single review that comes in. Add a new business-related photo each week with geo tags. Post a short article, tip, offer, coupon, etc. in the Google business profile post section each week. What you don't need is hundreds of 4- and 5-star reviews. Don't get me wrong, good reviews are massively important for gaining trust from potential customers and getting a higher close rate, but they're not a major ranking factor for Google Maps. Even if your business only has a few reviews, you can still outrank businesses with hundreds of reviews. Now it's time to add some authority to your Google Business profile. This is critical if you want your business in the top 3 spots in Google Maps. You do it by adding high-quality local links to your Google Business profile. Possible link opportunities for your Google Business profile include getting listed in your city's official business directory, sponsoring a local youth sports league, sponsoring a local community event, sponsoring a local charity or other nonprofit, getting quoted or being recognized as an authority in local media or publications. These links provide trust signals that tell Google your local business is legitimate. If you remember, I promised to share with you the one easy thing your business can do to win more customers that 90% of your competition does not do. That one thing is for your business to join your local Chamber of Commerce. It's the best stamp of approval your business can get, telling Google your company is real and doing business in your city. In my area, a search for roofing contractor members of the Medford and Jackson County Chamber of Commerce only finds 3 businesses. That's only 3 out of the 51 Medford area roofers listed in Google Maps. Then when I search Google for roofing contractors in Medford, Oregon, this is what comes up, showing the top 3 spots in Google Maps. It's no coincidence that these Chamber of Commerce member businesses show up at the top of Google Maps. But where is MJ Roofing, you ask? Why aren't they in the top 3? If you keep searching the listings in Google Maps, you'll see that they're currently number 5 for Medford roofing contractors. That's because Chamber of Commerce membership isn't the only ranking factor for Google Maps, but it's still the biggest bang for your buck you can get. So why have only 3 of the 51 Medford area roofers listed in Google Maps joined the Medford Chamber of Commerce? The other 48 don't realize how much business it could get them. They don't want to spend a few $100s to join the Chamber of Commerce. For Medford, it costs $488 a year for businesses with 2 to 5 employees, or $654 a year for businesses with 6 to 25 employees. Your Chamber of Commerce costs may be higher or lower, but it's pennies on the dollar compared to the value of being in the top 3 listings in Google Maps. That highlights getting authority links. But your business is still going to need citations from platforms and directories, ones that usually require verifications. This is also a big trust factor for Google and AI. These are some of the platforms. Getting your business listed and verified on all the right directories and platforms can be time-consuming, but you can save time by paying for citation aggregator services from SEMrush, Moz, BrightLocal, or LeadSnap. LeadSnap will only cost you $20 a month per location to handle all your business citations. All right, you've filled out your Google Business profile completely. You've gotten some high-authority local links, and you've gotten your business listed in all the right directories and platforms. Finally, it's time for step 3. Take an after snapshot using localdominator.co and compare your new business position for your search terms in Google Maps. This method, when followed carefully, will get 90% of local roofing businesses into a top 3 spot in Google Maps for their service areas. This may not be enough if your business is in a large city with more than 500,000 people and you have lots of competition from other roofing companies. If you're in that category, you can still rank your business at the top of the map pack, but to do that, you'll also need to optimize your website. That's because your website and your Google Business profile work together as a team. As far as the exact amount of new business you'll win, I can't promise you're going to get exactly 30 extra customers a month. It depends on the size of your market and on the season. I can promise that you'll get a much bigger piece of the pie. But what if your business doesn't have the staff to handle an extra 10 or 20 or 30 more customers each month? That doesn't have to be a problem. If you can't hire more workers and buy more trucks right now, you can always increase your prices. With higher prices, your conversion rate will likely go down, but with more leads, you'll still get more customers and you'll make more profit on the customers you win, without needing to grow your business volume. That's what a top 3 position in Google Maps will do for your business. That's it, how to get more customers by getting your roofing business into one of the top 3 spots in Google Maps. If you'd like help getting started, please take advantage of my service, a before snapshot of how your business stacks up against your competitors for your top 3 search keywords, my checklist of everything you need to get your business into a top 3 position in Google Maps, and an after snapshot showing your new position in Google Maps for your top 3 search keywords. Only $20. Just click on the link in the description for this video, or go to kickingassmedia.com/roofer-special.
Thanks for watching. I hope God will bless you and your business with success.